Hey guys, what's up? It's Gloria
and Angie.
and welcome to our channel.
Welcome back.
Alright, so for today's video, first of all, we haven't uploaded a video in like a month because we did film, but the video was so heavy. We talked so much that my laptop was like going a little crazy every time I tried to edit it. It was like glitching.
So we couldn't not.
We couldn't not. Can you English?
Every time I'm on camera, I get like shy and I forget how to English. So she could not edit the video because she's the one that edits them. She couldn't do it, so here we are making another one.
Yeah, that video was like a get ready with me, like get to know us, and I mean we will do it again.
Yeah, we can do it again
other time.
Yeah,
but for now we are going to be reviewing the. What month is it? May's Boxycharm, and yeah, Angie has never tried one of his. I'm the one that is like subscribed, but since she has like a different skin type and like different likes and everything,
we're trying that.
We might have like different opinions, so you guys can know. If you wanna see what's inside the Boxycharm, you may
stay tuned. Keep watching.
Look, talk to me. It's on. Okay, so who are you?
Mia.
Who are you?
Mia.
Mia who?
Mia Karipara. Hi guys, I'm Angie's sister. She's cute. And I'm Mia. And
how old are you?
5 years old.
What do you like to do?
Just eat candy and use my tablet.
Just eat candy. That's what she likes to do.
She likes to eat candy and use her tablet.
Alright, so the first thing in the box. Oh, by the way, the theme is Make Waves. And the first thing in the box is the Glamglow Gentlebubble
cleanser.
I think good. And we already tried this actually because we cannot try it in camera. Like, we can, but it's a whole thing. And, okay. My thought is that is any cleanser, honestly. Like, I use my Clean and Clear cleanser, like face wash every morning, and I feel like it works the same. It's just yeah, this one's like bubbly, so I will say that a little bit goes a long way. But yeah, what did you think?
I personally like it. My skin was really soft after I used it, and it works very similar to my everyday cleanser. I can't remember the name. I know it's a lemon based cleanser, but I like it. It's really good. I mean, and like she said, a little bit goes a long way.
It does the job.
Yeah,
but
it does the job.
You can find this, by the way, it retails for $28, and you can like get the same effect with a $5,
exactly,
$10 one. So yeah, but it's really nice that's in the box because you only paid $21 for the box, and you get this for $28. So
yeah, and it's like the full size. It's not like a travel size.
Oh yeah, it's a full size. Alright, so the next thing in the box is the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. And I'm so excited about this actually because I hear Kathleen Lights talk about this like every time. So, we're gonna try these.
We did our base makeup and some of our eye makeup for this because there are some makeup products that we need to use. Oh, this is so cute. It's really cute.
Okay, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if it's in focus because I don't have a viewfinder, so I can't see. But so it has 3 colors. It has like a peachy orangey one. It's more like orangey, a pinky one, and like a corally one. Okay. So do your blush? Okay, Mia's here because she's gonna try the makeup with us too.
Yeah, she's gonna try the blush. Say hi.
Hi.
But you're like you're covering Angie.
Yeah, you're covering me.
You're covering her spotlight. Scorcher, I think, because it's like the corally one, and I like more like those.
Yeah,
colors.
I like more. Yeah, I like those too. But I'm gonna go for Paraíso so we can try different one.
And
you can go for Castaway. Use that one.
No, you can.
Okay, we can both use that one. Okay.
Alright, so I'm going into Scorcher, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Sorry.
Look at the brush she's using for.
Oh yeah, she's using a flat brush for
blush.
But whatever works for you, girl. Okay.
I'll just wait until she's done.
The glow. Oh, like you can see, it's really pretty.
It has a glow.
I love it. I mean, I pay attention to everything Kathleen Lights says, so. But yeah, I love. Good job. I do love this. Oh my god.
You see, show the camera.
How do you like it, Mia? Is it cute? Do you like it?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Good.
Good. Don't tell me, tell the camera.
It's good. It's like soft.
It's soft.
It's soft.
It is very like buttery though.
Like I said, I'm going for Paraíso, which is the one in the middle. It's like a pinky. It's a
Mauve-y
yeah,
kinda.
mauve. Yeah, it's really cute. They're really soft.
Thank you.
Very buttery. They're very subtle.
They're pigmented, but they're not like you had an explosion of color. in
Yeah,
your
it's not like,
face.
oh my god, I messed up. I put too much.
Okay, I really like this actually.
It looks really cute. I like the pop of like the highlight.
Shimmery. Alright, so I do really like it. I think it's really worth it. I know, like.
This got the scorcher, the one that she used. It's really pretty.
Alright, and this is obviously a full size, and it retails for $22.
Not bad.
Angie.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Set the grabación in action.
Be patient. Be patient.
Mira, escucha. Next we have the Lustre Creme eyeshadow. It's like a purpley, shimmery, dual chrome eyeshadow. It looks really pretty. We're gonna test this right now.
This from Ciaté, London, by the way.
Yes.
And it is full size and retails for $22.
Look at this. This is so pretty. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but here, you try first. I'm
It's
excited
like-
for this one.
So on the doe foot applicator, it looks purple, like a iridescent purple. But when I swatch it, the orange, goldish, like reflex come like out, like intense. So I'm gonna try it. Let's see. But oh my god. By the way, I know I look really weird. I don't have mascara or anything, but we're gonna
Yeah,
fix
neither
it.
do I. It feels weird when you do your makeup and you don't put mascara or lipstick on. You feel like empty.
Alright, so I feel like I should have tried this with a shimmer glue or something, or like a glitter glue. But I mean, it feels really wet actually, but I think it dries pretty fast. And you can, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but you can't really see the purple. You only see like the orange, the gold
Yeah.
orange.
I don't know where you see the purple.
I'm going over it with my finger, and then I think when it dries, I'm gonna put a little more. Okay, it's like a liquid glitter, so it's a little patchy. I didn't use a glitter glue underneath, so I think that would make a difference. But I feel like it's pretty patchy on my eyelid, and the purple comes out when you do this on your lid. If you
And not even, because like
Yeah.
right now, look, it looks very
I mean, but
orangey.
on my lid, look,
Oh yeah.
and it looks, the purple came out. But if I start going in with my finger, then the gold really comes out.
I'm really excited for this purple.
My favorite color is purple, by the way.
It is. It is very patchy. Like, look, it's all stuck in my finger. But it looks good. I like the pop of color it gives to the makeup look.
Yeah, I like it.
I just wish it was more purple.
Yeah, because you did the purple look.
Mhm.
Yeah, and the gold reflex come out
Yeah.
more than the purple.
I feel like if it would, like, the purple would come out more, I would like it more. But it's just, I don't know, it's weird. Because you see it purple, but once you apply it anywhere, it just turns complete gold. But it's cute. Final thoughts, I like it. I wish it was more purple than it actually is. Purple. I wish it was more purple than it actually is, but I like the end results that it gives to the look.
I mean, yeah, it's really pretty. And if you're like trying to apply some shimmer like on the go, it's pretty easy. You just have to like tap it with your finger, and it dries pretty quick. Like
It does, yeah. It's, yeah. I want to see how it holds throughout the day. Like, I wonder if it's gonna
fade.
fade away or just stay there. hopefully it stays there. Because I like it. It looks really pretty.
Alright, so for the last two things in the box, we have a Bodyography eyeliner pencil, and it retails for $14, and I think it's full size, but it looks smaller than usual, but it's probably full size because I know Boxycharm. Okay, so this eyeliner is actually like it's called Emerald, I think. Yeah, it's called Emerald, and it's like pretty green. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Yeah, it's like a turquoise green.
Yeah, and it doesn't match my eye look, and it doesn't match yours either, but
yeah, mine
it's okay.
But we'll see.
It's makeup. And this is like really sharp, so it's poking my eye. Okay, you guys saw me for like quite a bit. What? Okay, this is not, first of all, it's like really like sharp, so it pokes my eye, and it's, I mean, wooden eyeliners are like this. It's like wooden eyeliner, so they're like that usually. It's not very pigmented. Like I didn't want to go too hard. It's gonna poke my eye out, but do you want to try it? I don't know.
Let me see.
You saw I was trying.
She was trying hard.
It's barely there. I mean, the green did show up, but like barely.
Yeah, this is poking. Hold this. It pokes your eye. Can you hold this too? Okay.
It's not good.
Thank you. I'm so scared because I usually never put eyeliner in my waterline because I usually poke my eyes.
And your eyes are like kind of.
Mhm. Yeah. But yeah, it's not very pigmented at all. Like for it to be pigmented, you really have to go hard, and I don't want to do that on my eye because it pokes.
Yeah, it's like pretty raw. The color is pretty though, like, but it doesn't show up on your. Maybe if you do it on your lid, maybe it'll work.
No, it's a no for me.
And for the last thing in the box is this. Is the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick in the shade Lazy Daisy. Ooh, I like that name.
That's me.
Lazy Daisy. And it retails for $18, and it's obviously a full size product. This doesn't match my look, but it's fine. I'll test it out and I'll take it out later. It's like a pinky mauve. So yeah,
I like it.
I mean, Dose of Colors lipsticks are really good. So I just wish I had got another color.
She got makeup on my shirt.
Ruined. It's the same color as my lips. See, I usually don't go for this kind of colors. I don't like mauvey colors or stuff on my lips. But this like, I mean, it looks darker now, but it's almost the same color as my lips.
It's got like a shimmery.
Shimmery?
Not shimmery. It's like shiny, kind of shiny.
Because it's wet.
Till it dries. I wasn't gonna say. Oh, but it smells good. It smells like vanilla. Let's see.
We don't have a table, so we have to hold the mirror for each other. Best friend goals.
Best friend goals. Yeah, it's kind of like the same color as my lips too. A little bit pinkier.
I think, okay, we don't have the same color of lips, so it changes a little bit, but yeah.
I like it.
It looks good on you.
Thank you.
On me, I guess because I'm more yellow. I don't like it.
You also like the eye makeup, like
Oh yeah, it doesn't match my eye look. Like, ignore that part.
Ignore that.
I'm just looking at my lips right now. I'm like cutting my eyes. But yeah, I mean, it's a good lip. It feels good, and I know this lasts a really long time, and I know they're pretty it's pretty comfortable. Like, man.
Yeah, you don't feel like you're wearing lipstick at all.
Yeah, it's
Doesn't
not
feel
like
like
a liquid lipstick that is like dry on your lips. It's like, this is pretty comfortable. But I just don't like the color. But I mean, it's good. If you're into mauvey
Colors.
shades, then Lazy Daisy
is for you.
Alright, so the overall value of this month's I can see of this month's box is $104, which is amazing because you only pay $21 for the box. And this is not sponsored, it's just that it's beautiful. I just think it's pretty cool and amazing that you get like great products. I mean, sometimes they're not too great, but you get to try products that you will never pick for yourself.
Yeah, you're basically paying like $5 per product for this month. I think it's a very good deal. It's a very good deal to try products that you might not like or might like.
Sorry if there's sometimes it's gonna be a little voice talking over us.
My little sister. My sister from another mister.
So yeah guys, that is for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more videos like this.
Don't forget to comment and give us any suggestions you might have for the next video, and subscribe down below.
And also hit the bell button to get notified every time we upload, and you don't miss any of our videos. We will see you in our next video. Ciao.
Again?
Yay!
Can you please show them your what is this called?
Bangs.
Your bangs. Show them your bangs. She cut her bangs herself. Look at that beautiful haircut. I personally liked it. My skin was very soft. I can't English.
Colorette blue.
That's
Manos a la obra en una sola maniobra. ¿A dónde vamos?
A editar el video.
¿A dónde vamos?
A editar el video.
En una sola maniobra. Okay.